Hello there, this is just a quick demonstration of the spell system that I've been working on. I've already detailed the blueprints and the codes and progress behind it, so I'm just going to dive right in. So, as you can see here, I have the current spell up here. I want to implement UI later on, so I have like a icon down in the bottom left showing the spell that's currently active. You can scroll through using the scroll wheel, so I'm going to scroll down and it'll go down through the spell roster that I have, and you can just keep going through that like that. Because there's going to be a selection of spells that you can use in my game, and there should be a way to switch between them, so I just thought that would be the best way to do it. So yeah, first spell I'm going to show is this energy ball. So if I press and hold the left mouse button, I can just constantly fire it off like that. As you can see, it looks quite nice. I like the sprite that I used and the effect. It's an animated flip book. It's got like a little a light on it as well. So press and hold it and it just constantly fires it off, and when I stop, it stops as well. That's going to be sort of like your starter weapon, you know, the one that everyone starts off with, just so that they're not completely screwed over when they start the game, you know, like, you know, the pistol from Doom or the broken straight sword from Dark Souls, that sort of thing. So yeah, that's like the main weapon. The next one we got is the Immolation. So you cast this, and you're going to burn yourself. As you can see, I'm taking damage here. But when you move into enemies, they'll get burnt as well. So when they move into that sort of sphere radius that you could see there, they'll start taking damage. So yeah, I think that's a pretty cool spell. It would come in handy in firefights, and there's lots of projectiles when you need like that protection. Even if it does come at a cost of your health and whatnot. Last spell I want to show you is this laser, which is probably the ultimate spell in my game. So you just press and hold it, and boom, annihilate pretty much anything in your path. I'm quite proud of this one because it, as you see, the laser reacts to objects in the environment, so it changes its length based on whether something's blocking it or not. Again, that's only active for as long as you hold down the mouse button. So I've let go now and it's stopped. Press and hold again, boom, 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 boom. I was having problems where it would constantly spawn new lasers, so I'd have like a wall of lasers around the player character, which is quite annoying, but I managed to fix that, so that's good. Yeah, something I want to do later on with this is make magic for enemies. So I'm working on like a spellcaster type enemy, like a necromancer or something, get him to cast spells. And yeah, I think I work quite well with this. It's just getting the functionality between like the spell roster here, getting that attached to the player character. I'm quite proud of that. It took a lot of debugging, and I did try quite a few methods to get the spell casting to work. Maybe it was a bit less efficient than I could have hoped. So perhaps if I had planned how I would do it a bit better, like sit myself down and sort of plan out the interaction between, like it was midway through that I actually figured out how to use data tables, and I can't lie, this is an absolute lifesaver. I'm very glad that I managed to figure out how to use this instead. It solved a lot of problems, but yeah, if I had done my research and found out this about sooner, I might have saved myself a bit of time. So yeah, that's just my demo done, and yeah, thanks for watching.